Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to do these really unique storage bins for your pantry. First, head on over to your local Dollar Tree. They always come through. No two Dollar Trees are the same, but hopefully you can find all these ingredients. Now, all this is a simple white rectangular storage box that I was able to get at Dollar Tree. Each one is $1.25. Dollar Tree has this very unique wallpaper. And I love the design of this wallpaper. So each sheet is $1.25. And then these labels, I was able to find these on Amazon. And in the description below, I will have the link of where you can order these. But these labels are very useful, and it has a little bit of everything for your kitchen or pantry. So let's get started with the project. So you can take the wallpaper and you can decorate each side of the rectangular box with wallpaper. You don't have to, and again, this is optional. You don't even have to decorate the rectangular box with wallpaper. I wanted to because again, I found this really cool wallpaper at Dollar Tree, and I love the design so much, and I thought it would be really cool to kind of add a little pizzazz, color, and make these rectangular boxes seem a little bit more high-end by putting this wallpaper on it. Now, all you need for this is pretty much some scissors, a ruler, whether you want to use a knife, a paper cutter, however you want to do it. It's pretty easy to cut this. I wasn't too detailed, making it look extra pretty because again, this was going in my pantry. No one could really see this except me. I just wanted to utilize the wallpaper by putting it on these boxes. And here is what my pantry looked like before. And once I added the boxes to the shelves, this is what the pantry looked like afterwards. Super easy. Took me less than an hour to do this. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. As always, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.